Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Envato theme on Shopify. Alright, so first up, go ahead and download your theme from Envato. Then go ahead and go to the top right, click on My Downloads. You'll be able to see the theme that you've purchased in here. So just download it, and once downloaded, go ahead and head over to your Shopify admin. And then on the left-hand side, go ahead over to your online store. Just click on it. And then once done, scroll down. You'll have the import section. Go ahead and click on import, and to import or upload a zip file. Click on add file. Now, as you can see here I have my downloaded theme. I can just go ahead and extract it. Extract here, and there will be a sub-zip file. As you can see, we have the theme right here. So you can just go ahead and click on it and click on open. If it's loaded, once it loads, click on upload file. And then after that, it will say theme uploaded. And here we have the theme. Just wait for it to properly install. All right. And after that, you can now then go ahead and click on edit theme and continue working in here. And that's how easy it is to install Envato theme on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.